Hello friends, today we are at ShangriLa, Bangalore. I'll quickly give you a room tour. See, this is the foyer area that we are in. This is the place for your tea, coffee. Please excuse the mess. We've been here for the whole day with 2 kids. So, it is a little messy. This is the room. They have a beautifully done up aesthetic room. They have all the basic things. They are a 5-star group and they have their branches all over the world. This is, when you remove the curtains, you can see the city so nicely. We are on the 7th floor. You go up higher, you will get a better view. You can see Bangalore Palace also from here. This is the place where you can just relax for a little while. And the bed big enough for 3 people. It's done up very well, very aesthetically. I'll just give you a quick glimpse of the toilet, washroom. There are 2 separate ones. This is the bathroom. And of course, this is the other one, your dressing area. There are some towels and all which are used, just left there. I've come back to the fire area. It is done very well. The charges vary according to your dates and times. We have paid around 16 plus taxes. Food is also very good. They have 2 restaurants here, 1 cafe and 1 restaurant up, which is on the terrace. Bye friends for now.